Good morning children. Today I am going to take class 5 subject value education. Lesson number 3, never give up. Never give up means what? Any difficult situation you should not give up. You have to keep on trying. Right? See, you should be afraid of holding on to something no matter how difficult it seems. That success comes to those who consistently try to achieve their goals. Keep on trying to achieve their goals. The greatest achievement in life is to keep trying till one achieves success. You should keep on trying until you trying to achieve the goal. You should not give up. Here one activity is there. You have a phobia or fear about speaking on stage. The school has organized a poetry competition. You have written a beautiful poem and would like to read it out. What do you do? See, you have a fear about speaking on stage. The school has organized a poetry competition. Competition is there. You have written very beautifully poem. You would like to read it. Okay, what do you do? Now here options are given. Now that it is impossible because of your stage fright and forget about it. What you will do? It is impossible. I can't read. Second option, practice speaking in front of friends, family and small to big groups to get over your fright. What you will do? Which one you will choose? You will give up. I can't do it. It is impossible. I can't read on the stage. Otherwise, you will practice speaking in front of your friends, family in group, big groups. Right? Which option you will choose? Second one. Always you have to practice. Here one story is there. Read this motivating story about how Preeti becomes a fast runner. How she has become the fast runner. Let me see. Preeti and the sports day. Preeti and the sports day. Because that day she has a sports day. Preeti was an intelligent and good-natured girl. See, can you see the picture? She is Preeti. She is very intelligent and good-natured girl. She had all the talents in her except for one. She has all the talent. She is intelligent. She is good-natured except one. Although she was not a bad runner, she could never win a race. But still she is a good runner, not so bad, but she could not never win a race. In every race she participated, she would lose. Whenever she will participate the race, she would be lose. One day, her mother reminded her that her sports day was approaching. What her mother has told? One day, her mother has reminded her that she has sports day. Preeti was worried about it. She has very worried about the sports day. She knew that she had no chance of being selected for the race. What Preeti says, why she has worried? She has knew that she had no chance to select for her race. Her father saw her looking worried and asked her the reason. Preeti was very worried. She is sitting and thinking, no chance to be selected. Her father has saw looking her, so saw her very looking so worried and asked her the reason. Her father has asked to Preeti, why you are so worried? What was the reason? When Preeti told him the cause of her worry, he told her that she should not lose hope and at least try. What Preeti has told her father, I can't win the race. I have no chance to select. So what father has told, don't lose hope, and at least you had to try. Preeti thought about it for a while. She started thinking for a while. Then she decided to practice to increase her speed. See what she has decided. She can't sit alone, right? I can't select in that race and all. And then she decided to practice to increase her speed. She started practicing running for an hour daily. She has started practicing running for an hour daily. When her friends got to know this, they also decided to help her. What their friends, they decided to help her. They encouraged her, run with her, and applauded her when she did well. She has her friends are giving so much encourage when she has very much faster runner, and she did well. When they saw that she was running faster, they decided to race with her. What they friends? They decided to race with her because she has become little much faster. Preeti raced with a fast runner and won the race. See, with their friends, they have started the race, and Preeti has won the race. Her friends told her, we are very proud of you, but we want you to become faster and win the race with the fastest runner. What the friends are telling, we are very proud of you, but you have to little much put effort and you have to become very faster to win the race, because the fastest runners are more. You have to practice. Thank you.